a war of words between the BJP and the Congress. Jairam Ramesh has now slammed the centre on the Waqf Amendment Bill, stating that the act is unconstitutional and has objected, adding that the Waqf Amendment Bill has been sent to the Joint Parliamentary Committee for further scrutiny and review. He stated that many parties have expressed their concerns on the floor of the House regarding this bill. He has added that the report will be tabled and there will be a discussion on it, and stated further that the government had to refer it to a JPC due to the pressure mounted by the opposition. Let's listen in to his statement.
बोर्ड अमेंडमेंट बिल जो आया वो एक संयुक्त पार्लियामेंट्री समिति को अभी भेजा गया है। 31 सदस्य हैं, 21 सदस्य लोकसभा के हैं और 10 सदस्य राज्यसभा के हैं। ये गैर संवैधानिक है, आपत्तिजनक है। बहुत सारी चिंताएं हमने जताई है, अलग अलग पार्टियों के सांसदों ने वो चिंता जताया है। अभी वो एक समिति में गई है, अभी देखिए अगले 4 महीने में उस पर विचार विमर्श होगा, डिटेल्ड समीक्षा की जाएगी, मूल्यांकन किया जाएगा, रिपोर्ट पेश होगा, उस पर बहस होगी। बुलडोज नहीं कर पाई। ये देखिए कैसा माहौल बदला है, जलवायु परिवर्तन कैसे आप देख रहे हैं। पिछले लोकसभा में ये बुलडोज हो जाता, इस लोकसभा में वो बुलडोज नहीं कर पाए और उनको समिति में भेजना ही पड़ा।
All right, there, of course, viewers, you've heard what Jairam Ramesh has had to say. The Congress, of course, has raised concerns with regards to freedom of religion and the federal structure in the country as far as this Waqf Amendment Bill is concerned. K.C. Venugopal had raised these points in the lower house of the parliament the day the debate was taking place, the day the bill was introduced. Meanwhile, several allies, including the Samajwadi Party, had also chimed in, sharing their concerns about the freedom of practicing religion when this bill was introduced. The NCP, in fact, called for withdrawing the bill. Supriya Sule had made her stance very clear over there as well. My colleague Anand Singh is joining us on the broadcast. Anand, the bill has been sent to the JPC. This is a move that has been welcomed by the opposition. They've, in fact, come to state that the bill will be deliberated upon for 4 months, and in fact, Jairam Ramesh has stated that the government can no longer bulldoze the bill through the parliament. So, is it an encouraging step that it has been sent to the JPC?
Yep, yeah, look, when this Waqf Amendment Bill was brought in the parliament, when Congress was very aggressive and it dubbed the bill as unconstitutional, where Congress General Secretary Organization, who is also the Lok Sabha MP, he completely targeted the government on this Waqf Amendment Bill. And now when the bill has been sent for the JPC, Congress Jairam Ramesh, who is also the General Secretary and party's communication in charge, he has stated that how earlier we have seen that the government was not ready for any JPC or sending any bills to the standing committee. But now, due to the change in the political atmosphere across the country, where the opposition won around 234 seats in the recently concluded Lok Sabha elections. So now the complete atmosphere in the parliament has been changed, as the government is unable to bulldoze the opposition and pass any bills, and now they have to take opposition into consideration. And it is the reason why the bill has been once again sent for the JPC. And he said that the members of the JPC committee, they will be deliberating on this bill for around 4 months, as they have to submit their report by the last day of the winter session. So they have got ample time to deliberate on this issue. And we have earlier also seen that how several parties of the India bloc have condemned the bill, and they have slammed the government for bringing this bill just to polarize the voters ahead of the assembly elections in 4 states, that is in Jharkhand, Haryana, Maharashtra and Jammu and Kashmir.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.